In this video, I'm going to share most powerful quotes by Paramahansa Yogananda on meditation that will definitely motivate you to start meditation today. So sit back, relax, and listen to the quotes very carefully and understand its depth. So the first quote is, meditation is the only way. Beliefs, reading books, these cannot give you realization. Meditation brings proof of the existence of God. So, no matter how much you read and how much you gather words and concepts from the world, from books, from scriptures, that won't give you realization, Yogananda says. It's only the meditation, it's only turning within through which you can know yourself. Beliefs, that is, concepts, mind, knowledge, will not give you realization because it's the only barrier. Meditation is when you sit silently and be still within and watch your thoughts until they dissolve. And still, thoughts will arise sometimes, but they will not bother you anymore. This is the power of meditation, that you no longer be swayed away with the thoughts. You feel them, you experience thoughts, but they are no longer influencing you. They are no longer a burden for you. So meditation is the only way. Mindfulness, meditation, when you be completely present without the thoughts, without your emotions, without anything that you have gathered from the world or you are carrying over from the past. Without those things, you sit and just observe your surroundings without labeling or judging anything. That is meditation. Second quote is, meditation must be practiced every day. Start now. Do not look to the future. Begin this very moment to think of God. Now, God, as many people assume, is just a mental concept. It's not. God is a living reality that you can experience only by being a meditator. So, do not postpone your meditation practice. Start with mindfulness, start with presence. Slowly, you will be motivated to meditate longer, and you will not be influenced by the ups and downs of life. You will be calm and steady and peaceful no matter what happens outside you. The third quote is, he who is persistent will realize God. So try your best to make meditation a regular experience in your life. So persistence, consistency, devotion, determination, all these is just one word for willpower. When you are really into realizing yourself, you will definitely realize yourself. You will realize God, because all it needs is just a one pointed, a focused mind that says, no matter what happens, I'll have a glimpse of God. I'll have a glimpse of truth, and not only the glimpse, I'll get to know the truth. I'll know the highest reality as myself. So this is how you will know, only by persistent efforts. In the beginning, efforts are necessary. The fourth quote is, meditate not for selfish gains of power, but only with the thought of pleasing and loving God. So only be curious for truth. Only cultivate devotion for truth. Truth is God, and selfish gains is just an obstacle to knowing that reality. What belongs to the self? Nothing. Nothing at all. And when you realize this, you are free. When you are able to face this truth, you are free. Try and be selfless as much as possible. The fifth quote is to commune daily with God in deep meditation and to carry His love and guidance with you into all your dutiful activities is the way that leads to permanent peace and happiness. So, God will lead your actions when you completely know that it's always God that has been doing so, that has been leading you. It's always the source that makes us work, makes us think, makes us act. But we, in our ignorance, think that we act. That's the very thing that meditation rectifies, and that itself makes you realize that you are one with everything. You are one with life. You are one with God right now. So drop all the excuses, drop all the ideas that make you postpone meditation. Start now. Be mindful. Be mindful of your actions, of your words, of your deeds, everything. And soon you will realize that these actions are just an expression of God. And nothing is different from God, nothing is separate from God. And then when you realize this, there's only happiness and joy. Because there is, in reality, there is only Anand, joy. And that is you. So realize yourself as causeless joy, causeless happiness. This will make you free. This will make you unconditionally happy. Thank you.